Hello everyone and namaste. My name is Lalit from Map Mentors. Today we're gonna explore the QGIS and we're starting a new series on our channel about the QGIS from beginner to advanced level, which you can use this in your study or in your workplace. So I got a lot of requests about how to install the QGIS from the uh, beginner level. So let's get started. As you know that QGIS is a open source software. That means you don't need to pay any penny for using the QGIS. And to download the QGIS, first you need to go to the website of QGIS, and the website is qgis.org. When you type qgis.org, it will direct you to the website of the QGIS. So this is the official website of QGIS, where you can see the project, community, resources, and download. So we'll head towards the download. When you click download, it will show this type of platform. Like you can see, if you want to donate the money, you can donate. We don't have money, so we'll skip this and go to the download. So you see, this is a download page of the QGIS, and here you can see this page provide binary packaging installer. Current version in QGIS is 3.40.2, Brastalva, which was released on 2024, and there is a long-term build current offer QGIS 3.34.14 Prison. And the QGIS is available for Mac OS, Linux, Android, and iOS, and Windows, of course. So, if you are trying to use QGIS for the longer term, you need to install this version 3.34 LTR. And if you want to get the quick updates, you can go for the latest version 3.40. So I'm going to download this long-term version for QGIS 3.34. uh, there is other platform for Linux, like Ubuntu, open source, Mantra, all you can explore from here. So I'll click on long-term version for window, and it will direct me to the download button. You can see the QGIS is downloading is 1.2 GB file, and it will take few minutes based on your internet speed. I have already downloaded it, and this, so I am not gonna download it again. So this download folder. This is the QGIS setup file. Right click this, and uh, okay, double click this, and it will pop up a install button. Click on run. It is preparing for to install. It will take some time. It's computing my space in the desktop. Maybe yeah. You'll click next. I have already installed the software, so it's suggesting me either you want to repair or remove. But you won't get this type of message. You will just click next and move forward. Uh, Thank you, guys. I hope this will help you to install the QGIS on your device. And this is the first video of MapRenters. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. We will be adding more videos on QGIS. And thank you for watching.